Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohammed Majdi, Bawazir, grade 5B, and we have a lesson on simple past tense. Definition of the simple past tense. The simple past tense, sometimes called the past, is used to talk about a completed action in a time before now. The simple past is the basic form of past tense in English. The time of the action can be in the recent past for the distant past, and action duration is not important. I meet my friend in 2018. My grandfather died last year. He lived in Riyadh in 2016. We went to Bahrain for our holidays. Forming the simple past tense. The simple past tense is including subject plus verb plus ed. Or example, I skipped. Or including subject plus did not plus infinitive without to. Example, they did not go. For or including did plus subject plus infinitive without to. For example, did she arrived? Or including did not plus subject infinitive without to. For example, did not you play? And thank you for watching the video. My name is Mohammed Majdi, and goodbye.